World War II left Italy in ruins, cities were bombed, factories were destroyed, the economy was in shambles. People needed to rebuild their lives. But transportation was a major problem. Cars were expensive, roads were damaged, Italy needed a solution. Piaggio envisioned a vehicle that was practical and affordable. It had to be easy to ride, even for women. It needed to navigate Italy's war-torn roads. Most importantly, it had to be cheap. Piaggio wanted to get Italy moving again. His first attempt was the MP5. It was nicknamed Paperino, meaning duckling in Italian. The design was awkward and unpopular. Piaggio was not satisfied. He needed a fresh, new perspective. Piaggio brought in aeronautical engineer Corradino D'Ascanio, a man renowned for his innovative thinking and engineering prowess. D'Ascanio had little interest in motorcycles, finding them cumbersome and impractical for everyday use. He found them uncomfortable and bulky, often difficult to handle, especially for the average person. To avoid a traditional design, D'Ascanio drew inspiration from aircraft. He envisioned a vehicle that was light, easy to maneuver, and accessible to everyone. The result was revolutionary. The Vespa, Italian for wasp, was born in 1946. Its name was inspired by its unique shape and buzzing sound. It featured a step-through design, shielding riders from engine grease and making it easy to mount and dismount. The engine was placed beside the rear wheel, eliminating the need for a chain, which reduced maintenance and improved reliability. The front shield protected riders from road debris, adding an extra layer of safety and comfort. It was simple, stylish, and affordable, quickly becoming a symbol of freedom and modernity in post-war Italy. The Vespa scooter revolutionized personal transportation, making it accessible to the masses. Revving up success, Vespa's meteoric rise. The Vespa was an instant success, capturing the hearts and imaginations of the Italian people almost overnight. Italians, desperate for affordable transport in the aftermath of World War II, embraced it wholeheartedly. The Vespa provided a practical solution to the transportation crisis. The scooter quickly became a symbol of hope and progress, representing a brighter future for many. It represented freedom and mobility in a nation struggling to rebuild. Production skyrocketed as demand surged. From 2,500 units in 1946, it soared to over 171,000 in 1950, a testament to its popularity. Vespa dealerships popped up across Italy, making it easier for people to purchase their own scooters. The company expanded its production capacity to meet the surging demand, ensuring that Vespas were available to everyone who wanted one. This expansion marked the beginning of Vespa's global journey, as it started to capture markets beyond Italy. A cultural icon, Vespa's global conquest. Vespa's popularity transcended borders. The scooter became a global phenomenon. It starred in Hollywood films like Roman Holiday with Audrey Hepburn. This propelled Vespa into the international spotlight. Vespa clubs sprung up worldwide. Enthusiasts celebrated the scooter's unique style and practicality. It became a symbol of freedom, adventure, and a carefree spirit. Vespa wasn't just a scooter, it was a lifestyle choice. The enduring legacy of Vespa, a timeless classic. Over 75 years later, Vespa remains an icon, a symbol of freedom and style that transcends generations. Its classic design has evolved, adapting to modern tastes and technologies, but its spirit remains unchanged, capturing the essence of Italian craftsmanship. It represents Italian style, ingenuity, and a touch of rebellion, embodying a lifestyle that is both chic and accessible. Vespa's legacy extends beyond transportation. It has become a cultural icon, featured in films, art, and fashion. It signifies post-war recovery and the rise of Italian industrial design, a beacon of hope and innovation in a time of rebuilding. It's a testament to the power of innovation to capture hearts and minds worldwide, uniting enthusiasts from all corners of the globe. Vespa is a timeless classic, forever etched in the annals of automotive history, a symbol of enduring elegance and innovation.